Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to reset your password for your Linktree account. Now let us begin. Well, do you know that I have already gone to linktr.ee. In case you have not, go to it right now. Now I'm simply gonna try to log in. At the top right next to sign up, you will see a button like this that says login. Click on it right now. Well, once you click on it, you will be redirected to the login page. Well, I do remember my email address, but I have forgotten my password. Well, here's how you can resolve it. Simply scroll down, and right here you can see a button like this that says Forgot Password. Click on it. Once you click on the button, you will be redirected to this page. Simply enter your username or email address from which you had created your Linktree account. I'm gonna enter it right now. Once you have entered your email address, simply hit on the Reset Password button. Well, once you click on it, a password reset email will be sent to your registered email address. I'm gonna go to Gmail right now. Well, this is the email that I had received. Now all I'm gonna do is click on this Reset It Now button right here. Then what you guys need to do is simply enter your new password. I'm gonna do it right now. Once you've done it, simply hit on Change Password. Now all you guys have to do is enter your email address and the password. Once you've done that, simply hit on Login, and that way you will have reset your Linktree account password. That is it, guys. That's the gist of it. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.